Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing fine. I am doing fine, though a bit low, and I know it's normal to feel like that. Like this whole week I've just been feeling off. Like like last week, because today is a Sunday. So like the whole lot of last week I was just feeling low, I didn't want to talk to people. I don't know what happened to me anyway. But I know that's normal. I read about it and I asked my counselor, so he said that is normal, like people just do that. So anyway guys, today I decided, after all what I went through last week, I decided I take myself for a foot massage. So I'm gonna be doing, okay, no, not really a foot massage. Yeah, okay, anyway, it's a foot massage and scrubbing. Yeah, so I'm going to sit and steam. Yeah, I think it's sit and steam. Yeah, so that's where I'm going. And I just thought of taking care of my feet, because my feet have been cracking. I think it's because of the cord, and also because I'm ever in shoes. So like whenever I'm not wearing shoes, they just become hard and white, and I just thought of taking care of them today. So let's go to sit and steam. So guys, I decided to show you my before. Like, look at those. They look so bad. I know. So these are my toes. I haven't done them in a long time. And then I want to scrub. As you can see, these white things off. Like, even this side. Yeah. So let's go. A kinky straight. I got it from Just Braids. And no, I'm not gonna do it live. I wanna do like a reel or something. Like, reels now you do more than a minute. I don't even know.
I say, Kiki, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Jada, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? I say, Becca, are you with me? Are you down when it's getting windy? Do you promise to never leave me? When they lie, will you still believe me? She know I could give it to her easy. I need a kiki, I need a CC. Don't want no good girl, I need a free. And she know I'ma take a port tour from Paris straight to Bali. I'm ballin', I'm really ballin'. The money calling, it's really calling. The money calling, it's really calling. And I never ever put that shit on hold.
What up, guys? So I got done with my nail, with my scrub, my massage, my whatever, and then now I'm going to the I'm gonna take my spouse. My spouse is my right here. I'm gonna take my spouse to the spa. So last week I treated my spouse for an engine wash, whatever wash. I don't know, that other wash, and the chair scrubs, the body scrubs. Yeah, I treated her very, very well. So today we're just gonna do the normal wash, right, my spouse? Yeah, then we go home, we go rest, we go prepare for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a Monday. Yeah, so let's go to the car wash. Yeah. So that's a cow. Sure, I can see the smoke. I think there's meat. Hey, we're gonna eat meat. I didn't show you the end result of my tools, but look, I painted color nude. That's a nude color, and it's cold. So let me get home, then I'll show you guys. In the meantime, we're by the car wash, about to wash my spouse. My spouse is right here, my baby boo. My purse is almost done. Guys, so I have left the car wash, done with the car, and then like I haven't been in town. I haven't been to town in a long time. So I decided today I should just take a drive, maybe even just in Cairo Road. So I'll start it from this side, where it starts from. That's the north end, all the way to, from the Kappa roundabout anyway, all the way to the Kafua roundabout. So yeah, I wanted to find bananas, but I've already purchased bananas. So then we'll just take a drive there and see how town looks like this 2022. Yeah, and then I'll just go home to go rest. So let's go to town.
Shuri babu deda. Yeah, yo. Sunday morning na ukazagaze, penaenda kuchechi chali ya kale. Every Sunday ni maukaole, mana tulo twa mashozi hapa Saturday. Nati lelo nilichapwino ningafike na kuchechi ni pempeleko. Nifika chabe mu intercession, hello worship room ndiye praise. Pangono chabe ayamba pasita, kulalikila pandalama mangu cha. Anagokola pa offering, prosperity na marriage na chuma chapa chalo. Amaliza chabe wayamba na announcing, kanikani za maseri nina buying. Nyumba ya mulungu kusanduka mariketi, nekudabwae Messiah balansa pachalo, ukwapule na futi. Ndaba bantu wayamba futi, kugulisa makwewa muchochi. Yesu Kristo shipwela no wembyo, ifikote na futi. Ndaba bana bako bayamba, makwewa muchochi na futi. Original bad man. One leg in the water and I wanna fire you come again. Music. Namadi go sing again. Namadi go sing again. Namadi go sing a singer.
Now I try to just tonight. Kapena zaona kumahilo. Musia topping it yo.
I'm waiting for you nangu muzako. Now I try to just tonight. Kapena zaona kumahilo. Musia topping it yo. I'm waiting for you nangu muzako. Now I try to just tonight. Kapena zafika kumahilo. Shaiman talipo ndine pita senza gaze enzo imbazo munyamata ati bwera pafupi vendera pafupi baby nikufunsepo kodi ndiwe ndani ungalana ndani uzamba chani
ati mutima wanga wausokondeza
Hola. So that was it, guys. I went to church this morning. I had very good lunch. I did my toenails, had a car wash, and I feel better. I feel alright, I must say. And talked to my sister, talked to my dad. And yeah, I'm just heading home now. Oh, sorry, these are really bad manners. Okay. Sorry. Anywho, so I'm just heading home now. I am just going home and then I'm gonna rest. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you all. Bye.